management of the club has been good. And the last time I CEO, Atabuku, who was saying something about the fact that Omoko away from home, Krampuna, they go with supporters. Things Omoko Bibi or Bonomo as Tiama Uni Amra. Say, Kotoko is a Kotoko for. Yeah, that's something that they are doing over there now. I think it's open. So it's me away, not me at least 300. I think he mentioned 300. It's me away from home. It helps. And I think that they are doing a very, very good job in that regard. Say, right now, winning the Ghana Premier League for almost any team at all, no any problems are. Especially a club with a pedigree and the history of Ediana, it won't be a problem. The problem will be how Ediana will back up the winner of the Ghana Premier League with going to Africa and being successful there. So with that brain behind it, the fact that he is a seasoned broadcaster or Tibo and Asiwayebi for a very long time, if he can use that experience to get a team to, do the recruitment and manage things well, Senebeya, is successful on the African continent, I think it's very exciting. With respect to what Ediana will be able to do on the African continent. That is good. Bechema Saki coach finally. I think we all expected it. Say Bechema Mom coach ako. Still, Uko Bechema.
There's a Kasim Mingo.
Obeba. Which means some relationships are just fitting. I go say Jose Mourinho in Chelsea.
And Shoba Resikani
Ediana.
Obefe Ediana Bia.
It works for him.
I don't need Ediana Bono.
Yeah.
A BBT.
It's okay. See about so Kasim Mingle has come back to Bechem United again. Were you surprised that Karela lost 4-1? And I got to 4-2. And I got to Abre.
Sure. Numbers on my statement. After that huge defeat, no.
But this is the Karela side of Kwaway. Yen Sheni 2 crowd. What should I won? So we can say the assembly make catch say when he goes away from home, no reason Amadu prioritizes solidity. Into Ojai ball is okay, you're very solid, you're compact, near ball. It did not happen today. In fact, first half 3-1. 3-1, total drubbing of Nurudin Amadou. I like the fact that after the game, he has accepted that Kotoko were just better on the day than them. Which you bet Joe goal no was nice. Yeah. And it was 2-0. First one was a solid boot. First one in the box, the second one outside of the box. All very brilliant goals. 2 solid goals there be Which Bibi. The number of top tender balls that we are seeing in the season also. So I think one Ediana player, one Mediama at some point, one Ano, and then of course this one for Hubert Jewu twice. Which the second one, the strike was so clean as a whistle. Nice goal at Brent Feni Bejewu. And it is clear that Kotoko Fono believe that coming back from Africa, they need to reinstate themselves back and see if Nyamio Madum and they win either the FA Cup or the league, they can go back onto the African soil and then see if they can get back and go and get something very good for themselves. Very important to Tima, your friend Kumana and Kotoko. They needed to get that win. No other side than Karela or defense. No, usually a very, very resolute and very difficult for you to do it. No. Kotoko you asked what team for say throughout the weekend. Team made a surprise.
Yeah. This weekend.
Yeah. Mine is in the Ghana Premier League. Team made a surprise.
Samu. Europe na say games na I want the down. Because for instance, say Chelsea coach Tottenham in the news. Or Chelsea there. On my boogie side, Manchester.
Because me anyway fee.
I think me no I drink.
You see House of Folk results.
Basket.
Yeah.
And baby, I'm no by drink. House said the red card.
Yeah. And you game and a straight casting stone. These are House of Folk that we have seen that have been struggling to score. Look, I say 2, and I want to say 2. Say 2.
Fandukuda.
Yeah. So you need to give them credit. And it looks as if say Didi Dramani is beginning to get the right offensive pair. Yes, the red card is important. And in the Ghana Premier League, numerical advantage is very important. Udi red card, yes, the time already red card, the game state and all of that. But for us to go away and go and get that all important win with a 2-goal cushion, I think they deserve a lot of credit. I will give them Accra Sufuka Jumano Mayeno a lot of credits. They have done an absolute solid job, and for me, they are the team that impressed me all throughout the world. And yet, whether in Europe or in Africa no team my friend across the folk and a year Jumani papa and the mommy or rich.
Okay. Minyana Mimbia lines no ma yet here from Rem Zone. Na monso momecha madwen Ghana Premier League yedi hun komo sanso and over the weekend games are your boy our Europe na no indina edidi de hun komo so betimi aba na watch na wadwen at the offense amount do abrobo so na fi min twa mun kitu